What's a small daily habit that has had a big impact on your success as a leader?
Connect with the ground.
How do you keep yourself motivated?
Try to do everything which is not done yesterday.
Apple CarPlay or Android Auto?
Both depend on my phone.
Favorite quotation?
Dil mange wo.
Oh, seriously, amazing. Welcome to another episode of Leading with Purpose. Stellantis is the world's fourth largest automakers, which has iconic brands from Maserati, Citroën, Jeep, to 14 brands globally, which includes Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Chrysler, etc., etc. Stellantis was formed in 2021 by the merger of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles and the PSA Group. Today, I'm super excited to have with me the Managing Director and CEO of Stellantis India, Mr. Sailesh Hazera. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I'm really looking forward to our chat.
Thank you very much for inviting to this podcast.
Thank you. What inspired you to get into automotive as a career, and how has your passion evolved over time?
So, automotive is always a boy's dream, and an engineer's another passion.
Okay.
So, being a mechanical engineer and boy, I always
Oh.
thought of automotive, and I started my career with automotive.
Okay.
And grew the passion as I grew in my professional life.
Yeah.
Worked with many companies, many places,
Right.
and that passion increased with the sound of the engine.
Okay. Yeah.
So worked on engine, transmissions, which gives the power, the torque, and it continued to grow now with BEV.
Right. Absolutely. So, what do you think about the EV and the hybrid debate in the market, considering that Citroën is one of the first brands to have an affordable EV in India?
No, absolutely. Citroën is the first EV in India. Stellantis' vision is to become the carbon neutral by 2038, and we, as part of Stellantis, have our road. So we started this journey in Indian market with providing first EC3
Right.
with affordable, and we were the first one to export that also. The debate will continue to be there because we as Indian always love to choose amongst many.
Yeah,
So I
sure.
would say whether it is ICE, which is gasoline, diesel, alternate fuel, hybrid, BEV will continue, and India will continue to have many options available for customer to choose, and that's the way I would say. At Stellantis, we want to provide most of our vehicle as multi-energy platform,
Okay.
so that when market needs it and when customer requires, we have the solution. And that was the whole purpose of defining EC3, and we were very quick to market because our platform were capable of adopting.
Okay, wonderful. So, there are so many different kind of SUVs in the market, depending on the customer preferences, from their lifestyle, their driving needs, from compact SUVs, mid-size SUVs, full size, and now there's an SUV coupe. So how is it different from the traditional coupe? Can you please tell our listeners that, and also Citroën is aiming to be the second largest brand after outside of Europe. So what are the steps you're taking, to meet this ambitious goal?
So I think your second question is the answer to the first one.
Okay.
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 Citroën
Right.
is known for its style, its uniqueness, and its French connection.
Okay.
So the
Yeah.
coupe design is to give a relief to the customers who wants to choose beyond a traditional SUV
Right.
with a stylish, chic, yet premium, but yet comfortable, and have a boot space which is the SUV. So it gives all those kind of things. And when we launched Basalt, which is the first India's first coupe,
Right.
it is really giving the premium French elegance. And it is inspired from, I would say, fashion industry, electronic industry,
Yes,
and
okay.
many other things, which are architecture, etc., where you can see the bold line which is coming through and the slanting shape. It is the unique, and that's what we call it as a French connection, which we were able to put it in our car Basalt. And yet, the important thing is that in such car, it becomes very important that we don't compromise with well-engineered car and a space.
Sure,
So
sure.
this is where the rear seat comfort, which is there in this car, where you still have headroom and you
Oh.
have legroom, like a business class experience you can have.
Yes,
So
yes, totally.
that's the design, and I would say elegance, which we put it. Now, these are the kind of things which we will continue to do in Indian market. And the key to success, why we say that India will be the second largest market for Citroen, because we are doing fundamental things.
Okay,
We are designing car for the market.
right.
These cars are designed by Indian engineers.
Okay,
This car is parts are manufactured by Indian supplier.
yeah,
The production is happening locally. We are close to 95% plus localized,
right.
which gives a edge in terms of change management, in terms of bringing features. So we have done the groundwork,
Yeah,
and it's the scaling up which we will continue to do, and that's where we will aim, still have the same ambition that India should be the second largest market outside Europe. And
wow. All the best wishes for that. Okay, so what can we expect from Jeep India in terms of new launches in 2024 or expanding the dealership network and talking in general about loyalty and customer satisfaction. So what are the factors you think help in achieving that?
So Jeep, like the DNA,
Yeah.
it gets your adrenaline up when you think about Jeep, where it comes with power, it comes with off-roading, and that's what is the Jeep. And we will continue to bring product. This year, we brought Wrangler in May,
Yeah.
and
I have driven it. It's fantastic. I loved driving it.
you should try crossing the river with Wrangler.
Oh, right.
That's the real fun.
That I missed out. I think, yeah, I'm surely going to do that.
So we did that. We recently launched Meridian 2.0, where we provided a different big car with the same things, and that's going very well with the market. When it comes to Jeep, I think Jeep, the essential is to unleash potential of a driver.
Hmm.
Generally, when we pick car, we say we'll go from home to office, office to our business, etc. But Jeep is a product where you can unleash yourself on weekend with friends, go off-roading,
Yeah.
or something doing, and that's where the tagline of Jeep comes: go anywhere, do anything.
Do anything. Yeah. Fabulous, fabulous. Amazing. I love the entire feel. I'm looking forward to driving the Grand Cherokee though. So,
We'll provide you that.
yeah, yeah. Cool. Okay, Stellantis is producing, cars, vehicles for domestic market as well as export. So, can you please elaborate on what steps are you taking and how are you leveraging the production capabilities?
So we have the product. These products are global product. Whether you take a Jeep Compass, you
Haan
take
ji.
a Jeep Meridian, you take a Wrangler, or when it comes to Citroen C3, Aircross or Passat,
Right.
these are all global products. These
Wow.
are all global platform, and easily adaptable to every market. So the whole concept of Stellantis having this global platform in India, because Citroen is affordable.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we need to make affordable mobility to the customer, and this affordability comes from the basic element of competitiveness, and that's where the platform which I was talking earlier,
Yeah.
the base work which we have done, the local engineering, local manufacturing,
That really helps.
that really helps, and we are able to seamlessly transfer or adopt these current car to many markets. So today, when we come to Citron, we
Ji.
are already shipping to Indonesia.
Wow.
We'll be soon shipping it to Malaysia. We are doing it to Nepal, Bhutan, South Africa,
Wow.
Egypt. These are the market, and many more to come when it comes to Citron.
Hmm.
We're the first company again to export our EV from India, EC3 to Indonesia. When it comes to Jeep goes to Japan and Australia.
Wow. Okay.
These are the market where the customer prefers the high-end SUV at affordable price. So here we come, and we'll
Fantastic.
continue to utilize our plants, because for us the quality remains same whether we produce here. Our plants are always in the top 5 globally.
Fabulous.
That's where we are leveraging our manufacturing.
Such a proud thing, actually. This is you have 3 manufacturing units, right? Ranjangaon, Hosur, and
Tiruvallur.
Wow. Yeah, that's
Tiruvallur, we produced our C3
okay.
and EC3 Basalt and Aircross. In Ranjangaon, we produce Jeep, Meridian, Wrangler, and GC.
Okay.
And Hosur is
Fabulous.
our powertrain plant where we produce engine and transmission. And out of Hosur, I would say close to 90% is actually export.
Wow.
And this is again, the
Made-
engine is same,
Made in India.
made in India,
Amazing.
made for India,
Made for India.
rest of the world.
Are
Both.
amazing. Such a proud thing, actually. So such a proud moment. Amazing. So okay, so with AI and automation, becoming increasingly part of the vehicle. So what's your take on autonomous? What's your take on autonomous driving in India? Considering our roads, our traffic conditions, because we don't just have cars on the roads, we have like all kinds of like rickshaws, bikes, two-wheelers, even animals, pedestrians. So, I mean,
We need to keep ambition that someday we will reach to that level.
acha, yeah.
While especially when it comes to autonomous driving, what we are doing,
Hanji.
because India has got capability, and
Right.
we are extracting those capability through our software division, which we have in Bangalore, where we do work on our software, which is connecting to the auto, Estella Auto, Estella Brain, and Estella Cockpit.
Okay.
We have the Excellence Center who keep working on all 17 brands from India, and they are developing many of the solutions. Yesterday, we inaugurated our new Dolby Sound Lab in Bangalore,
Wow.
which is a very unique for the world, and where we are developing all the sound solution for the cars.
Fabulous. That sounds amazing. That sounds so amazing. Can you share some leadership lessons or experiences that have shaped you as a leader in your industry?
I think I would say the biggest lesson what is learned in this industry is to understand customer.
Right.
And this is a real complex when it comes to India, where India is not one India.
Yeah,
And
it is.
It is very different.
Yeah.
Indian customer needs elegance, need features, yet affordable, while they want everything, and everybody will have unique. So this is I would say, the biggest learning as a leader, because this is which drives the company, and this is where the customer connect. So I would say any of the person who is in the leadership or influencing customer, that's the main thing which they need to learn.
Wow. Knowing your customer. Absolutely. If you could go back in time and give yourself one piece of career advice, what would that be?
I would say if I were go back in time, what would I do?
Yeah.
Probably do some teaching.
Teaching. Oh, wow. Amazing. As a lecturer or
Yes.
somebody. And what kind of subject will you take up?
I don't know.
Maybe physics or something. Or since you're a mechanical engineer, maybe
Yeah,
physics,
maybe some
maths,
subject I
and
don't
those the STEM. Okay, fabulous, amazing. Purpose-driven leadership is becoming increasingly important. So, how do you personally embody purpose in your role?
Yes, I think this is where the generation meets. So
Right.
when we talk about Gen Z or Gen modern age, people,
Yeah.
they want to connect with a purpose, and they want to really
Yeah.
seem value when they are doing something, and they want recognition. I think every
Yeah.
human person does only need only these three things.
Yeah.
If we have a shared vision, that becomes a destination for everybody. And once we have shared vision, everybody can put their value addition to that vision, what they can bring. Instead of, and this breaks silos.
Okay.
This is very important. Once people have shared vision, they will break the silo. They will stand in support of each other
Sure.
because both have the shared vision and they would
Absolutely.
like to go it. So
Right.
this is increasingly becoming very effective, and it is changing the world. The way leaders behave and the leader demonstrate. So this is connecting more across the generation.
Sure.
This reduces the generation gap. So I always say to my team that work for company,
Acha.
work for function. If you have time, work for yourself.
Absolutely amazing. And I think we all need to have some purpose in life, and as you said, work for yourself, like, you know, to constantly evolve and become a better human being. So I think that's always, you know, the learning should never stop. So that's absolutely an ongoing process.
Learning is very important, and I would say apart from learning, unlearning is also equally
Oh, right. Learning, unlearning, and relearning.
important.
Okay, okay,
That's
okay.
the right way.
That's great. Yes, yes. Okay, now let's talk about your firsts. Your okay. So, like, one word, one line answer. First thing that you do in the morning.
Spend time with family to have a cup of tea.
First mentor.
My big brother.
First time you felt the taste of success.
I think every year, at least once, I feel.
Oh, okay. First thing you wanted to be.
Engineer.
First big gift to self.
God gave to my family, which is my daughter and my son.
Oh, okay. First thing you notice in a person.
The smile and receptiveness.
And the receptiveness. First car.
Obviously, in India, Maruti.
That's a patent, like a fixed answer for so many of us, most of us actually. Super. Okay, I'm coming to these short answer questions. These are like 1 or 2 line answers. What has failure taught you?
More ways to experiment.
Okay, and not to give up, and more ways to experiment and find new
New ways
to
of doing it.
amazing. Okay. What's a small daily habit that has had a big impact on your success as a leader?
Connect with the ground.
Awesome. What book, movie, or song has inspired you the most on your leadership journey, and why?
J.R.D. Tata, letters from J.R.D. Tata.
Oh, amazing.
He is always an inspiration to me. So whenever I feel dull, I feel something, I read a couple of letters, which
Wow.
with all the J.R.D. Tata letters. That
He is a phenomena. I mean, you know, I mean, he's my big inspiration as well. So, I mean, letters. So, is there a book on that?
there is a book which is the letter written by J.R.D. Tata. It's a compilation of all the letters, and it shows a person how he can have a different impact, different kind of touch to a human, not only on professional side but personal side, humorous side, and
Oh,
encouraging side. So
how wonderful! How wonderful. Thank you. Okay, what car do you drive now?
Grand Cherokee.
Wow. How do you keep yourself motivated?
Try to do everything which is not done yesterday.
Wow. So learning, unlearning, relearning,
And doing more.
and doing more, going one step
Then
ahead.
doing more.
Bill Manio. That's amazing. favorite quotation?
Dil mange wo.
Oh, seriously, amazing. Okay, what's the most memorable piece of advice you've ever received?
It was from my, I would say, a teacher, and when I actually failed an exam,
Okay.
and
You failed an exam.
Yeah,
मेरे
I
को
failed
विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है.
that too on maths.
Oh my God!
And
And you're a champion engineer now.
so he and I cried. I said,
Oh.
"Just, sir, please give me some marks so that I can show it to
Sure.
my father that I passed them." He said, "No, you need to face the world, what you did, and you need to stand up and show what you are meant."
Wow.
And that really shaped me. And from that day, I said, "Never give up. You will
Oh.
fail, but you learn and understand."
Amazing. So also this is such a great value system to, to be honest and not succumb to these, these are very, very small things where we, kind of lose our
Yes.
path and get distracted, and so such a beautiful value system. That's nice. If you could have coffee with any historical figure, who would it be, and what leadership advice would you seek from them?
Mahatma Gandhi,
Okay.
how he rallied so many persons with very simple vision, with very simple things,
Okay.
without having any communication, modern communication of this era, is still able to make entire nation stand with it.
Yes, absolutely. That was one amazing set of phenomena as well. Okay, how do you maintain a work-life balance, and what are your favorite ways to relax outside of work?
Work, I love work.
You love work.
So life is,
That's
by
nice.
maintaining for me.
All right. Okay.
Work I love, so keep working. But the jokes apart, whenever I get time,
Ji.
spend time with family without having any gadget.
Okay.
I don't have my social. This time is spent on social media.
Right. Right.
Very low for me.
Absolutely. Okay.
And,
Okay.
that's where I give it back to either family or watch some movies or just.
That's just okay. Relaxing. Okay. Your biggest accomplishment.
There are every year whenever we get successful. So not sure any biggest I can do.
Okay.
Probably you can say yet to come.
Yet to come? Okay, okay, cool. Okay, I'm coming to this rapid fire question. So it's this or that.
Okay.
Yeah? Electric or IC engine or hybrid?
Nice.
Sedan or SUV?
SUV,
Manual transmission or automatic?
manual transmission,
Coupe or convertible?
convertible,
Front wheel drive, rear wheel drive or all wheel drive?
all-wheel drive,
Turbocharged engine or naturally aspirated engine?
turbocharger.
Apple CarPlay or Android Auto?
Both depend on my phone.
Oh really? Do you carry like one of each?
Yeah, one of.
You have one Apple and an iPhone as well as Android. Oh my God, that's fantastic. I mean, that's really amazing. Okay. Collision avoidance system or lane departure warning system?
Collision avoidance system.
Jeep Wrangler or Jeep Grand Cherokee?
Jeep Wrangler.
Oh, that's amazing. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for this fantastic session.
Thank you.
Really had a great session. Thank you.
Thank you very much.